The guy who solved friendship like a math equation. Feel things the way most people do, but he's the most loyal guy I know. See, Silas treats human interaction like a high-stakes science project. He literally keeps a social cheat sheet on his phone. When we first moved into our apartment in Chicago, I caught him studying it. It had notes like, if someone mentions a dead pet, tilt head 5 degrees, lower voice, and say, that sounds incredibly difficult. It sounds cold, right? But here's the thing, Silas is always there. Last winter, when I got laid off and was spiraling, Silas didn't give me some Hallmark card speech. He walked into my room, tossed a heavy weighted blanket on me, and said, your cortisol levels are likely peaking. Based on consumer reviews, this pressure should manually override your nervous system. Also, I bought the extra-large pepperoni pizza. Carbohydrates are a known temporary fix for acute stress. He didn't feel my pain, but he calculated a solution for it. The craziest part happened last Tuesday. We were at a crowded sports bar, and some guy was getting aggressive with a waitress. Silas didn't get angry. He didn't even raise his voice. He just stood up, walked over, and looked the guy dead in the eye with this blank expression. He told him, statistically, there is a 98% chance this ends with you in handcuffs. Logically, you should leave. The guy actually ran out of there. Silas turned back to me, took a sip of his soda, and asked, did I do the protective friend thing correctly? I just laughed and told him he nailed it. He might not have a heart of gold in the traditional sense, but his logic is more reliable than most people's emotions. He chooses to be a good person, simply because being a jerk is inefficient.